What just showed up? A new keyboard. Alright, so this time we've got the Blackwidow V4 75%, the fastest keyboard on the market, and I'm going to be unboxing it, so let's just get straight into this video. Alright, let's get straight into unboxing this thing. So, I'm not sure where to fully unbox this. Alright. How do you open this? Oh, like this. Bro, I've been unboxing keyboards for too long to know that it's not at the bottom usually. And so once I get it out, we're gonna do a sound comparison with my old keyboard. Let's see how it sounds. Alright. I don't want to click anything. Look how smooth that looks. Yeah, wow. Alright. Here's the new keyboard. Let's do a sound comparison real quick. And a size comparison. Basically the same size, it just has a different layout. So, this sound. Compared to the next one. This one. So much better. Oh my god. I've already fallen in love with this. Alright, we're gonna cut to when I wired it up. So I just plugged it in. Bro, hear this. Just look at it, bro. Like, the RGB comes out from the sides too. It's just so nice, honestly. Like, this is the best keyboard that I've ever had. But now let's just get to the gameplay. Alright, so I just set up a hand cam, and I'm just gonna load it into a practice map. So, yeah, this should be fun. Make sure you guys like and subscribe because this keyboard costs $200. Yeah, so it's a lot. A lot of money. I'm gonna try it without this for my wrist. I don't think I really need it, honestly. Alright. Bro, I just don't explain how excited I am. I'm so excited for this. It's gonna be crazy. I wonder how fast this keyboard is though. Like this thing better be fast. Like for a lot of money, I expect this to be very, very fast. Alright, for people saying my ping is high, yes, it's high. I'm on an Xbox, so I don't know what you guys expect. But alright. Wait, I need to get used to this real quick. By the way, guys, I'm just bad at Fortnite, so. Bro, this is so responsive, like, right when I click it, like, bro, like, it's so easy to, like, oh my god, this is so cool. I'm gonna hit a side jump real quick. so bad at Fortnite, bro. Also, many people know that I've switched to keyboard and mouse. So, oh my god, I didn't even mean to do that, and it just like, it's so fast, just like, not only does it like feel fast, it is, like watch this, right when I press my F key, it goes, like, oh, look at that, like, I've not been able to do that, like, it's so fast, like, it's too fast for my reaction time, like, I can't even, like, press something, alright, but for real, let's get to some ASMR. Alright, but for real, that's gonna be the end of today. And comment down below what you want to see next. So, bye.